Can you introduce yourself shortly in English?
Okay, so my name's Tasnim Miss.
একটা ভুল হয়েছে বলা দরকার ছিল yes I can, of course I can. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself in English?
Uh, of course, yeah, I can introduce myself. So my name's Tasnim Firdousi, but everyone call me Tasnim, and I'm a teacher right now. My institution's name is Liakas Kids English School, and I have been teaching here more than 10 years.
So how is the place?
Okay, the place is very nice, and
What's the name
now,
of the place?
okay, now we are in Jalshiri Avashan
Area.
area,
And
now
it's a
we are
cafe,
in cafe.
Brew
It's
Splash.
Brew Splash, and it's a very
Brew Splash. Okay.
Brew Splash, and
So it is in Jalshiri, Abashan area. Do you think it's a very nice place
Yes, this is
for
a nice
traveling,
place. Yes,
for
And
living also?
actually, I don't see whole area, so I don't know actually the whole environment, but as per I know, I see this is a nice place, and the environment is so cool. And
Okay, what can you see around you right now?
okay, there are many people around there having their lunch, and this is almost I think 4 p.m. So and this environment I can see another outside, and there is a lake,
Artificial lake.
artificial lake. I think this is the right place to have a coffee.
Okay, can you order coffee? Yes, I am feeling
Okay,
I need to have coffee.